Next question we are going to discuss in MCQs as a part of revision electrostatics. The number of lines of force, question number 4, the number of lines of force, the number of lines of force that radiate outward, that radiate outward from 1 coulomb of positive charge, from 1 coulomb of positive charge. Let us check what are the given options for this question.
Yes, sir.
This they are given infinite, and option B they are given for us negligible, small. Negligible, small. Option C, it has given for that epsilon naught equal to, what's the value of epsilon naught? 8.85 into 10 to the power of 11
minus 19.
minus 12. Option D, 1 by epsilon naught equal to, 1 by epsilon naught equal to how much? 1 point. If you do reciprocal of this, 1.13 into 10 to the power of 11. See, this is a reciprocal. The question is that the number of lines of force that radiate outward from 1 coulomb of positive charge. Okay?
Yes,
So, now, in this, you have options that usually first we should know the properties of electric field line for this concept.
Yes,
As well as that we should know Gauss law. What is the property here? Electric field lines, positive charge. We know that positive charge always emanate electric field lines outward. Right?
Yes, sir.
So when all the positive charges is emanating outward, the question is that the number of lines of force that radiate outward from 1 coulomb of charge. If I take this is 1 coulomb, how much number of charges radiating out? The number of lines we should know it.
Yes, sir.
How we will get to know the number of lines? Let us say this is positive charge. From this I wanted to find which is radiating out. This is I am considering a hypothetical gas and surface. So from the basic Gauss law, you know that is what's the formula of Gauss law we have? E dot ds closed integral equal to q naught by epsilon naught, or q times of 1 by epsilon naught times of the charge enclosed. Here charge is 1 coulomb is enclosed. So what I am doing here, this is a 1 coulomb I am taking q. Okay, 1 coulomb by 1 epsilon. Now, if you find this much amount of the charge is emanating out from the 1 coulomb of charge is our answer. But here 1 by epsilon naught, since they have given, we can find directly. If you have idea of the Gauss law, then we can answer this. But the question is that if they have given in terms of number, then we have in trouble. We will be in trouble if we don't know what is the value of epsilon naught and all. Okay? Since we know this, then 1 by epsilon naught in the sense 1 by 8.85 into 10 to the power of minus 12. If you do that, the reciprocal value you will get, that is which is equal to 1.13 into 10 to the power of 11. Okay? These many number of lines is passing through, these many number of lines emanating out due to the 1 coulomb of positive charge.
Yes.
Okay, you got it? So this is the way we have to analyze. This is related to what? Electric field lines as well as Gauss law. If you don't know the nature of the positive charge, if you don't know Gauss law, then we will get here 0 marks. Of course, if you do head and tail line, if you put the answer, that is different case. There is no way in the history got it like that. Remember, people think that. Okay, that is the question 4.
Yes, sir.
Next question we are going to discuss, that is, yeah, coming to fifth question. It's a very simple question. 1 volt equals to.
Yes, sir.
Usually we know, if you know the definition, we can answer it. 1 joule, one joule per coulomb, C, and joule into coulomb, and D. Okay, and joule per coulomb inverse. Yeah, 1 volt equal to. What do you mean by 1 volt first of all? 1 volt is belonging what?
Power.
It is a units for what?
Power.
It is a units for electric potential. It is units for electric potential.
Yes.
We have studied from our 10th standard itself is that. Okay, electric potential definition. What do you mean by electric potential? When we are bringing a charge or work done to bringing a charge from infinity to at a point or at a distance against the electrostatic force
Yes, sir.
is called as electric potential at that point. Okay, the units for electric potential is volt.
Yes.
1 volt equal to, here electric potential V equal to work done per unit charge. We have done some amount of work by bringing the charge from somewhere to here I am bringing. Right? For this I am doing some amount of work. So simply nobody opposes, I can easily bring. But somebody is no, they are telling. Still I am bringing that. That means against the force I am bringing here. For that I have to spend large amount of energy. Nothing but work. Work done to bringing a charge against the electrostatic force.
Yes, sir.
Okay, to a point is called electric potential.
Yes, sir.
So units is volt V. 1 volt equal to 1 work in the sense. Work units, SI unit of work, joule. SI unit of charge, coulomb. So joule per coulomb, or this is also can be written as joule coulomb inverse. So our answer is that B.
1 joule per coulomb.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So remember, most of the people are lacking of basics. Like this if they will give, and like this if they will give, they will have the confusion. That's why I have written both. Okay. What I am telling that not knowing is not a problem. Not trying to know is a problem. Till now whatever happens. But you should know it now. Learn it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is a one basic MCQ. Of course, this is a very easy question, but approach is important always. That's why I am telling. Though you know you are all good students, you know very well this all. It's not a problem that. The problem is that how to approach is important. So therefore, in all the cases, we will do the same thing. Okay. Next question. This is sixth question. 1 volt per meter equals to. This question actually, the questioner has asked that 1 volt meter inverse equal to. Okay?
Yes,
Then
sir.
options. Options are given like this: 1 Newton. Here also basic definition you must know that, and relation 1 Newton meter, and the other option Newton per coulomb, and the other option joule coulomb inverse. So first of all you need to go directly in the sense like something I have seen somewhere, I have studied somewhere. Most of the people MCQs while they are attempting